Right in the gorge, man. Gorge black. The one see the one see there?
Yeah, what about my people? I'm there, you know. Manners and respect each and everyone. Just quick information, yes, Zane. So, I get information that the Bagwalk Gorge was temporarily closed, but had been reopened after a certain amount of time due to an incident where it is said that a man had been shot and killed during a confrontation with police from within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, so it is said that the gorge was reopened after a man was reportedly shot and killed during a confrontation with police on Wednesday. And according to reports, it is said that a man who was among gunmen who shot a person in Riversdale, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica, was fatally shot by police in an alleged shootout. So it is said that the Bagwalk Gorge is closed to facilitate the processing of the scene and so forth. And it is reported that men in a car traveled to a community and carried out a gun attack on someone who was hit, and that they fled the scene. So it is said that acting on intelligence, a team of police or a police team intercepted a motor vehicle in the Bagwalk Gorge that fit the description from the Riversdale shooting. So allegedly it is said that a shootout reportedly ensued or happened, during which a man was fatally shot or hit fatally. So it is said that other men who was in the car fled and are now being sorted by police. So it is said that a gun that is believed to be an illegal firearm was seized by police following the shooting. So the people, just quick information, and there's pieces of videos posted on social media about the situation as well. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.